Is Beespeaker the best app? Learning a new language always sounds exciting until you realize you can understand everything but freeze when it's time to speak. That's the exact problem Beespeaker says it can fix. In 2026, it's being called one of the best language apps for real conversation. But is it really worth your time and money? I tested Beespeaker myself because I've seen dozens of language apps make the same promise. Duolingo, Babbel, Bisu, all great for vocabulary and grammar. But when it comes to talking, most people still struggle. Beespeaker claims to change that by focusing 100% on speaking practice powered by AI. When you first open the app, it feels simple and modern. You choose your native language. The one you want to learn right now, it mainly supports English and Spanish and your goal: travel, work, or general communication. From there, the app builds your daily plan automatically. The main idea behind Beespeaker is speaking first, theory later. You start each lesson by watching short, realistic dialogues, ordering coffee, introducing yourself, or making small talk. Then you repeat what you hear, and the AI instantly evaluates your pronunciation, fluency, and rhythm. It highlights what you said wrong and lets you practice until you sound right. The feedback is clear and surprisingly human-like. What really stands out is how natural it feels. Instead of memorizing words, you're training your mouth and ear to work together. The voice recognition system is one of the best I've seen. It doesn't just check if you said the correct word. It listens for tone, speed, and even confidence. After a few sessions, you actually start sounding more fluent. Beespeaker keeps motivation high with gamified features, daily streaks, points, badges, and quick challenges with other learners. It feels fun without becoming childish. You can also track your progress over time and see where your pronunciation has improved. Of course, it's not perfect. The app currently supports only a few languages, mainly English and Spanish. More are planned, but if you want to learn Japanese or French, you'll have to wait. And if you prefer in-depth grammar or writing lessons, Beespeaker might feel a bit light. It's clearly designed for people who want to speak, not study academically. As for price, Beespeaker uses a subscription model. There's a short free trial, and then you can choose between a monthly or yearly plan. It's not the cheapest out there, but for what it offers, especially the advanced voice AI, it feels like fair value. If speaking fluently is your main goal, performance-wise, the app works smoothly on both Android and iOS. Lessons load fast, and the AI feedback is consistent. The interface is clean, the experience is user-friendly, and the support team seems responsive to user feedback. Plus, updates come regularly, which shows the developers are serious about improving it. There's also a community side where you can join live practice rooms with other users or native speakers. These sessions aren't constant, but when available, they give you a more natural speaking experience, kind of like mini virtual classrooms. After using Beespeaker for a week, I noticed something. It forces you to speak out loud, make mistakes, and correct yourself exactly how real learning happens. In just a few days, I felt more comfortable speaking naturally, even when I didn't know every word. That's a sign the app works. So is Beespeaker the best language learning app of 2026? If you want grammar drills or writing lessons, maybe not. But if your goal is to actually speak with confidence, Beespeaker might be the best tool for that. It's interactive, effective, and designed around real communication, not memorization. Final verdict: Beespeaker is one of the most practical and modern apps for speaking practice in 2026. It's not just about learning, it's about talking. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech and app reviews. See you in the next one.